everyone, this is Veronica with V's Crafty Corner, and today we're going to make a card very easy and simple, and hopefully we can do this quick. It's daytime, so my children are outside playing, and so I figured I would make a video really quick. Hopefully it works out. So let's get started. So today we're going to begin with a paper pad for Michael's. Just move my whole setup here. Okay, so we're going to use the Thankful Hearts paper pad for Michael's, and we're going to use this beautiful terracotta and gold color. So let me get that out. We're also going to fussy cut two of these leaves, and I'm going to use this one and this one. Well, actually this one and the opposite side of that one. It would be this one right here. So this and this. So fussy cut that out, and also fussy cut these pumpkins right here. So we're going to do the green, the brown orange, the polka dot, the dark green, or this is mint, this is dark green, and the off-white. So go ahead and do that, fussy cut those out, and I have that already. Okay. We're also going to use this stamp from Ms.Sparkle&Co from Joann's. So this is what it's going to look like. We're going to put it on this brown cardstock. I'm thinking of changing it though, because I think a different color would look better. Maybe a green. What do you think? Would green look good with this terracotta? Or is it just clashing? Yeah, I think it clashes, so we're not going to use that. I'm thinking this craft paper is the best to use. I'm going to get a scrap sheet of gold because this gold is quite pricey. And so the base is going to be the craft, and the border is going to be the gold, and the top is going to be the terracotta. I think that looks pretty good. So we'll use that, and it's going to be sort of a glamorous fall card. And we're going to use the word thanks, and it's going to be in the inside. And also just wanted to say, I used this in my last video, the last card I made. So I'll use that. Just wanted to say thanks. Okay, so let's go ahead and cut. You could get some at Michael's. They have the foil gold paper there. This one's a little bit more pricier because it is thicker. So I would recommend the Michael's. So let's go ahead and glue that on. And I'm going to use my Tombow Mono glue. Okay, there it is. And the Tombow takes a little while to dry, so it gives you ample time to set your paper down. Okay, so now the terracotta and gold, and I want a little bit of the dots to show, not as much as the bottom. The bottom has more dots, so we're going to go up and cut right up about, let's see, about an inch up. Yes, so you're going to go up about an inch up, and you're going to cut right there 5 1/2, and then we're going to go up 4 1/4. Actually less. than that because we want the gold to show. So we're going to cut at 5 1/4 by 4. And this is what we got. Okay. So now we're going to glue that to the card. So I'm going to use my tape runner for this. Thank you for not making any noise, ATG. It's always squeaking and squealing on me. Oh, let's stand up for this one. There we have it. So that's what that looks like. Isn't that pretty? I love the terracotta. Okay, let's glue these on. So these are the cutouts that we cut out from that sheet of paper. And I'm going to put the leaves on first and then build from there. So hopefully we do this before my children come in from outside. I usually film at night and I'm lucky and fortunate to film right now. Okay, so we're gonna get that. Let me put a layout down first to see how these look. And I love this mint pumpkin. It is so pretty. Okay, so maybe I could put... Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of brainstorming, so you'll hear me mumble a few times just to see where I'm putting everything. Just want everything to look nice. Be a really cute fall card, and I like that right there. So let's put this down. So looks like these are going first. There it is. Here's the next one. I'm gonna let the stem on this polka dot one stand out just to give it dimension, so I'm not gluing that down. And also on the front, we're just gonna put glue on the bottom of this green pumpkin, let the stem hang on, and also with the mint pumpkin. There's the card. And we're going to stamp in gold, so we're going to need embossing powder to do that. We're going to use the Recollections gold embossing powder, and we're going to use the powder dauber for the embossing resistance, and we're going to use Versamark. So, and this stamp just says, just wanted to say, and then the inside will be thanks. So let's go ahead and put some powder. Stamp this. There it is. I got my scrap sheet of paper so we could catch the embossing powder. Let me put some on this gold area. Okay. Good luck. And there it is, and it looked like it smudged a little on the top. Let me see if I could flick it off. Okay, where it says just is kind of smudged. So I'm going to get a paintbrush and see if I could take that off a little. It's not working. Let's see if I use the edge of an X-Acto knife. And that worked a little bit. So good save right there, right? So much better. I'm going to heat emboss this off camera because it's super duper loud. There it is, and now I want to do the thanks in the inside. Isn't that cute? Look at that. What a cute card. I love the color. And I lost my stamp set. Where, oh where is that gone? There it is. We're going to use the word thanks. Open this up and put some weight on it so it'll stay down. So we're also going to use the gold for this. So let's emboss this with the Versamark. Okay. Oops, don't forget to put the powder down because that embossing powder is seriously sticky and it will stick everywhere. So let's put embossing powder on now and pray that it doesn't stick anywhere besides the words, right? And there it is. We are lucky for that. So let me put the powder away and I'll go ahead and emboss that off camera so you guys have hearing after this. So there it is. It says thanks in gold in the inside. The outside says just wanted to say thanks. That's my card for today. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.